Alright everybody, just want to give you kind of a heads up on what I had to do to get to the tweeters. First off, I had to take this part off, this piece of the trim. It usually goes right there somewhere. I don't know, I just took it off. Then took the weather stripping, the door up to here. So you can see right here's where the pillars go. I had to snap the pillars off just to get to the dash. Blah blah. Here's the dash cover, the tweeter holes. You can see right here's the pocket for the tweeters. And on the other side there's a pocket somewhere over there. But yeah, that's all I got through so far. Alright, into part 2, my tweeter install. Already taken apart the dash, taken off the side pillars. And now I just took off my bevel, whatever it's called, and I'm about to take my deck out and do all sorts of crazy wiring through there, it looks like, to try to get to my tweeters.
Opening tweeters. I'm stripping some wire.
Hey everybody, I just got done wiring up my tweeters. Wiring's not completely finished because I still got to find some electrical tape around my house somewhere. But here's a little demo of them paired up with only a sub and rear speakers right now. My backs are on order. So yep, that's pretty much it. What's up guys? I'm on my way back from work. Gotta do some video editing later so I can finally get this posted up on the website. But as you can see, I got my dash all put back together and everything has been soldered and taped and electrified and everything's working great now. But just want to give you guys an update. I give a shout out to Joey since he's always the first one that offers some kind of assistance on anything I post, even if it's about washing my dog. He's still the first one there. But anyways, I appreciate you guys. Yeah, before I get, here's a demo of the completed tweeter install up on the front dash. Another demo playing something a little bit less bassy than last time. Thanks again guys for watching the video. All that sound and the songs you heard from the completed tweeter install is just the tweeters that I have in the front and the 6x9s in the back. When I got my Magnum, the 6.5s and the doors weren't working, so when we tore the doors apart to get to them, we found out that the magnets had actually been, I guess, they had just fallen off the backs of the speakers. And so I've got some Infinity Kappas on order right now, and they should be at my door by the time I get home, hopefully. So probably be posting another video of them getting hooked up to my amp. Hopefully sometime later this week when it doesn't look so rainy outside. But yeah, thanks again for watching.